Oh my gosh, this is danger. Oh. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you because it is a box swap. That's why I have scissors in my hand, with my amazing friend ALYX from Top Knots and Espresso Shots. I always have a hard time saying that name. Top Knots and Espresso Shots. She is the best. She is like my YouTube bestie. She was like my first and like my closest YouTube friend that I have. We've never met in person, but we've been doing these box swaps for a little over, maybe a bit longer. We met almost 2 years ago on YouTube. So that is awesome. I love her so much. She is such an incredible mom. She's pregnant with a little baby boy that is due this December. So that's really exciting. She's currently doing Vlogtober, so head over to her channel. You're also gonna see the box that I sent to her. And yeah, let's just get unboxing. Oops. This is the box that she sent me. Super excited. I'm sitting on the floor because I wanted to like have enough space to see everything. Ooh, lots of pretty tissue paper. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, first off, if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. I am Laura-Lee, obviously, and I live in Canada. So things that I do not have, Target and Trader Joe's, my two favorite things. So the first thing I see is this Trader Joe's pumpkin spice biocellulose face mask. Ooh, it's seasonally spiced with a scent from clove leaf, orange peel, ginger, root oil. I'm so excited to try this. Trader Joe's maple flavored and sea salt kettle corn. Oh my gosh, this sounds incredible. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. My mouth is literally watering. Hi, Walter. Oh. Pumpkin spice caramel corn. This is Archer Farm, so this is from Target. Oh my gosh, made with real butter. This is killer. Oh my gosh. This is danger. Oh my gosh, this little llama mug. I am obsessed. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, ALYX. It's the Magnolia Homes. That smells so good. It's Harvest. This is the Magnolia Homes, or Hearth in Hand with Magnolia. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, and I love this. Oh, it says no drama. Okay, the funny thing is I gave her a mug in hers and it said something about don't care about the haters or whatever, like something, it was like no drama. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, I love these. Harvest Blend Herbal Tea. Oh, I'm drinking that because I've actually been not drinking as much coffee lately, like at night, because it just keeps me up. I am so excited. I'm gonna open this really quick. Oh, that smells so good. Kind of smells like pumpkin spicy tea. Ooh, I'm trying that tonight. Oh, Walter, she sent you something. Oh, you can't see? Come here. His tail is like going crazy. Come here. Do you want a treat? Come. Let's will him into the frame. Come here. These are dog treats with peanut butter and banana. Come here. Come. You want this? Come. Come here. Oh, there. Good boy. Another one. Good boy. Oh my gosh, this is the box that never ends. Oh, what is this? pumpkin spice cream-filled rolled wafers. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. I literally am going to eat all of this in one sitting. I swear, this is amazing. Dark chocolate espresso trail mix. Oh, that looks so good. That looks like it has like, oh, all these, oh, duh, it says with chocolate covered and praline almonds, chocolate covered coffee beans, chocolate chips, hazelnuts, mocha flavored pecans. Oh, my mouth, I'm literally like, this sounds, what are you doing? Incredible. Wow, this is amazing. I'm so excited. Okay, so this one I told her about because I have the best memories drinking this coffee, and I literally bought these little Keurig things to put ground coffee in. This is the cinnamon vanilla nut coffee from Target. If you have not had this, you need to run and not walk. Amelia and I used to drink this all the time, and it is so delicious and actually very fall. This is so good, and you can only get it at Target, and it's the Archer Farms brand. It is delicious. Thank you, ALYX, for finding this for me. Oh, and the last thing, oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is a calendar. Oh, ALYX, I love this. Includes one board, 12 single-sided months, and 31 days. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. This was such an amazing box. ALYX, I love you so much. Thank you so much for sending this to me, and thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this box swap. Don't forget to go to her channel and see what I sent her, some Canadian goodies. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!